Happy 2025. As I'm filming this, it's actually New Year's Eve, but happy 2025. I just saw a TikTok the other day that was like 2020 was half a decade ago. What? Time is a scary thing, but happy 2025. I love taking advantage of like the inspiration and motivation that comes with a new year, or even like when the seasons change. I love being able to like take advantage of that energy and motivation that I feel, and the best way to start it out is by a nice refresh reset of my space. We're gonna do an intense deep clean over the course of today and tomorrow. I got some new cleaning tools for Christmas that I'm so excited about. I was talking to my mom this morning on the phone and I was like, I'm stoked. I'm gonna be deep cleaning my apartment today, and she's like, you're stoked about that? You're stoked about deep cleaning? And I was like, yeah, all the new cleaning tools you got me. This place is gonna be sparkling from top to bottom. I'm so excited. We're gonna start by taking down all the Christmas decorations, throwing in my sheets, and then we'll take it from there. It's literally pitch black outside because for the past, like, I'm not even kidding, probably 4 hours, I've been organizing. It started with putting away all the Christmas decorations, and then I got a bunch of storage containers delivered a couple days ago for the Christmas decorations, and I had a bunch left over, which was perfect because I was able to reorganize a couple areas of the apartment that things were like stashed away in. Fast forward, it's 4 hours later, and I've done none of the cleaning that I've wanted to other than the organizing. So we're gonna pick the camera back up and start the real cleaning now. Because it's been so long, my sheets are done. I think I just have to move over one load into the dryer, but I'm gonna wash the washer and dryer. I've never done this before, but our washing machine is telling us to clean it. It has a little button on there, so I looked it up and we're gonna do that. the next day now. We are gonna get straight into it today. We have a lot to do. We have both bedrooms, both bathrooms, my closet, vacuum and mop all the floors, wet vacuum the couch, organize the pantry, clean the top of the stove, clean the inside of the fridge, clean the windows. We got a lot to do, but let's start with the couch because I'm excited to use my new toy. I'll give a review after. I honestly have like really high hopes for this thing, so I hope I'm not disappointed. I'm exhausted. I don't know how, but it is 5:30 and I really haven't done anything other than clean since I started, which I think I started around like 10:30. How has it been this long? I'm not sure. This day feels like a blur. I need to start doing this like quarterly because there's a couple things that I just like don't keep up enough with. So happy to have my closet clean though. For some reason lately, I've really been struggling with keeping it clean. I know why though. It's because I've not been putting my clothes away after I do laundry and I leave them like piled up, folded, but in my closet. And then, you know, more just get piled on and it just like becomes a mess. I didn't film it, but I did clean the guest room. I had to do a lot of organizing in there. And then I also cleaned the guest bathroom. And I think that was everything that I wanted to clean. I'm feeling pretty accomplished, but like super exhausted. Also, the vacuum for the couch, the wet vacuum, it's more like a spot cleaner, especially if you have like pets or kids and you have like stains and things get spilled. And so it was working really well for that. I also will be using it like all over my couch as a vacuum and like a spot cleaner. I'll probably do that every so often, but like the wet vacuum overall was good. But the steam cleaner that I got, different tool. I got this steam cleaner that I've been seeing all over TikTok. I used it and like, I don't know if I'm just like not using it properly, but it was kind of disappointing, which is sad because the videos on TikTok show it like really getting a lot of dirt and grime up. And I just didn't find that it was like going crazy like that. Like I used it to clean the showers and I ended up just like cleaning the showers like normal. But yeah, that's everything. Everything's out clean. I'm so excited. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video. I love you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing start to the new year. I'm so happy that you're here, and I'm so thankful for all of you guys that support me, watch my videos, and comment. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.